Hi everybody and welcome to this webinar. I'm really glad you are here. So this webinar will focus on how to start your LearnyKids business with AI. Because today, most people don't stay stuck because they lack motivation. They feel stuck because they don't know what to do first, what to say or who to talk to, how to present the opportunity, how to start without feeling pushy, how to use AI without feeling overwhelmed, how to take action without trying to become an expert in everything. That's exactly what we are going to work through together. So I'm going to show you how LearnyKids combined with AI can help you take your first real step with more clarity, more structure, and much less stress. LearnyKids has been built over more than 12 years with hundreds of partners across 24 countries and more than 900,000 personalized creations already shared with families. So, what we are going to see today is not just theory. It's a practical path that has already been tested by real partners with real families in real situations. So, why this webinar matters now? So, a few years ago, starting any kind of business meant learning almost everything by yourself, like doing your website, learning about social media, emails, design, marketing, sales conversions, customer follow-up, technical tools as well. So for most people, that really was overwhelming, not because they were not capable, but because there were too many moving parts and no clear roadmap. AI changed all of that. Today, AI can help you write your first post, draft emails, create ideas, prepare visuals, maybe also organize your thoughts, and really save a huge amount of time. And we are going to see that a bit later on today. But here is the important part. AI needs direction. It can speed you up, but it cannot tell you what to offer, who to talk to, and why families would care. That's where LearnyKids really becomes powerful. LearnyKids gives AI something real to work with, a meaningful children concept, ready to personalize creations, tools, training, examples, and support. So instead of staring at a blank page, wondering what should I even create, you start with something families already understand, feel, and respond to. So what you will discover today, I will keep it practical. So first, we look at how AI can concretely save you time. Not, in a vague way, but with real actions. Content, emails, visuals, follow-ups, simple marketing ideas. Secondly, we look at why AI alone is not enough and what the missing piece usually is. Then I will share examples of LearnyKids partners who started with simple actions and used different strategies. Some used social media, others more local schools on partnership. Some others used follow-up emails. Some used ready-made website with AI to start communicating better and faster. And finally, we look at your first steps. Not a complicated business plan, a simple roadmap to help you understand what you could do first. By this end of this webinar, my goal is that you know whether this could realistically fit you and what your next step could be. So I'm Catherine Walker, the founder of LearnyKids. So why did I create this webinar for you? So basically, I kept hearing, the same questions from people interested in LearnyKids. Where do I start? What if I'm no good with technology? What if I don't have much time? Or what if I'm not comfortable with selling? What if I try and it does not work? What if I'm interested and I don't feel ready? You know, those questions are totally normal. And I want to say this clearly. The people asking these questions very often already have more to offer than they realize. They have life experience, professional experience, local network, communication skills, empathy, creativity, ability to connect with parents, and these things matter enormously. So with LearnyKids, you do not start from scratch. You start with a creative universe already in place, personalized creations, tools, training examples, support, and now AI really can help you take your first actions more easily and much more faster. So the goal is not to turn you into a marketing expert. The goal is to give you a clear path so you can move forward at your own pace with more confidence. Before we talk about strategy, AI or sales, I want to take a moment to talk about what actually makes LearnyKids work. So, at the heart of LearnyKids, there's wonder. Think about a child hearing their name in a song for the first time, or opening a story where they are the hero of the adventure, or receiving a creative activity that feels made just for them. That moment, that look on their face is what parents remember. Parents as not just buying another child's item or product. They are creating a memory, a moment of pride, a moment of joy, or a moment of connection. And when you as a person who helps make that happen, families do not just see you as someone selling something. They see you as someone sharing something meaningful. And, that emotional wow is what makes LearnyKids different. And it's also what makes it genuinely easy to talk about. So why LearnyKids connects with families? Every child can become the hero of their own adventure. Their names, their world, their imagination, sometimes even their friends or families can come to life through the personalized books, the songs, the animations, creative kits, playful learning experiences, and parents respond to what they can feel. They picture the child smiling, they imagine them recognizing the name, they imagine the story being read at bedtime, the songs played, at home, or the activity become a shared family moment. And really, that's why, LearnyKids is not simply about selling products or programs. It's about sharing experiences that families keep, remember, or talk about. And for you, as a partner, this changes the conversation. You are not trying to convince people, with a cold sales pitch. You are showing them something they can instantly imagine for a child they love. Now, Why Learning Kids makes starting easier? So many people who want to start a business think they need to create everything from scratch. The offer, the visuals, the website, the marketing, customer messages, tools, strategy, and that's where most projects stops. Because starting from nothing is really hard. With Learning Kids, you are not starting from zero. The concept is built, the tools are ready, and the training and supports are here. So basically, you bring your energy, your relationship, your local or online network, and above all, your desire to build something meaningful. AI helps you to communicate faster. Learning Kids gives you the direction, and really the combination is powerful, especially if this is your first business activity or first step into something more independent. Now, what often holds people back? So, the biggest thing that holds people back is not the lack of motivation. It's not knowing, which actions to take first. They think, they need the perfect website, perfect confidence, perfect wording, perfect visuals, or a lot of time. But in the beginning, you don't need perfection. You need focus, one clear audience, one creation to present, one simple message, one first conversation, one follow-up. And really that's enough to start. So if you think you are not good with tech, AI and Learning Kids tools will help you simplify the first steps. If you think, I don't know how to sell, you can start with simple conversations, examples, or ready-to-use messages. Or, the imposter syndrome if you feel, what if I'm not good enough? You don't need to be perfect. You really need simply a clear path and support. So, Learning Kids and AI help you take, those first steps without getting overwhelmed. A small action done today is worth far more than a perfect plan that never gets started. What if AI became your best assistant or your best ally? AI really can be a useful assistant, especially when you are starting. It can help you write posts, draft emails, prepare content ideas, create scripts, answer questions, follow up with people, and you can do that much more easily. It can also do this much faster than if you were doing it alone. So you don't need to know how to code. You don't need design skills. You do not need to write like a professional copywriter. But AI does not replace you. It does not replace, I would say, your personality, your relationship, or your ability to connect with a parent and say, I think your child would love this. AI simply helps you stop staring at a blank page. And for a lot of people, that alone changes everything. So here I've got just a quick image. I don't want to spend too much time on this one, but it's just to show you the AI landscape, which is evolving extremely quickly. So, few figures, 27.4 billion visits, with an increase by 26% since last year, and many AI tools that can be very specialized. So probably most of them know Chat and Claude. Claude, which is rising really quickly, but there are tons of other AI tools, more specialized like image generation, video generation, writing on content, and so on and so on. So what we do as well with Learning Kids is that we keep testing those tools so that you don't have to do it. And we can give you recommendations during the training sessions about the best tools to use. And usually as well, we'll test for you the free versions because some of them are very expensive, could be between 100 to 500 pounds a month. So we can help you regularly to keep up to date with the best tools. Let me give you the simple formula behind all of this. So AI helps you create faster. We saw things like posts, emails, visuals, and so on. Learning Kids gives you something real and meaningful to share. Personalized creations, playful learning experiences, tools, training, support. And then there's you, your story, your energy, your relationship, your local network, your human connections. This is not about becoming an AI expert. It is about using AI to make action easier. So you spend less time stuck and more time actually talking to people. So because in the end, people do not buy from technology. They buy from trust. They buy from emotion. And they buy as well from connection. So why AI alone is not enough? So AI can write a message very well, but it cannot give you a meaningful concept. It can generate ideas, but cannot build a relationship with a parent. It can help you answer questions, but it cannot give you something families will genuinely love. That's why AI alone is not enough. You still need something real to offer. So Learning Kids give you personalized creations and experiences that family can understand, feel, and share. You still need direction. So Learning Kids gives you tools, trainings, examples, and support. And you still need human connection. And that's where you make the difference. AI is the accelerator. Learning Kids is a vehicle, and you are the person who brings it to life. So now, let's look at real examples, because seeing what others have done is often much more useful than theory. So, I want to be clear, these are individual stories, and of course, results depend on many factors: time invested, locations, audience, follow-up, the personal effort and the actions taken. So they're not promises, but they're useful because they can show that there's not one single path. Some partners will see in a moment, use social media, others focus on local schools, some work through email follow-up, start online, others start locally. So different people, different situations, different strategies. But they all have one thing in common. They start with one single action. So let's start with Aurelia. So her strategy was really simple. One clear offer, one targeted audience, one free sample, and fast follow-up. So she shared 3 pages from our Playful Learning Kits in parents group. She activated a personal network, which was really, really small to start with. And mainly, she tested a small Facebook campaign. And for that, she just spent £3 a day for 3 days. And she used AI to write a post, follow-up images, and we worked that through together during a training. And the result came really fast. She got more than 300 contacts in 3 days. And from this action, she had 75 confirmed sales. And that made her more than £1,500 net income. All that achieved with an initial budget of £9. But what I want you to take from this is not only the number, it's really the principle. You do not need a big budget to create momentum. You need a clear message, a relevant audience, something valuable to give first, and fast follow-up. So AI helped her to do all that much more easily. And the wonderful thing about it is that now she can duplicate what she's done, update according to the audience she wants to reach, the product she's focusing on, and a great way for her to scale a business. So let's have a look at some examples that she used. So here I would like to share on AI prompt. That was the first one she used to build a strategy, because one of the most powerful first use of AI is to ask it to help you build a strategy that really fits your specific situation. But very important, the quality of the answer really depends on the quality of the context you give. So, for instance, you can tell AI who you are, how much time you have, what your strengths are, what your constraints are, what kind, I don't know, of audience you could reach, on which part of learning kids you want to focus on first. Books, songs, kids, schools, online, whatever feels right for you. And the more specific you are, the more useful the answers become. And that's why inside the Learning Kids training, we provide ready-to-use prompts templates like one you've got here. So you are not left, wondering what to ask. You are guided to ask better questions so you get answers you actually can use. So here is an example of a prompt for building strategy that you can use as a draft, and you just update the content like, I'm a mom of two, age 2 and 7, she's married, working full-time, and so on and so on. So just use this script and update it accordingly. Now, let's have a look at another prompt, which is more about creating your first editorial calendar, content calendar, which is really important. So here, another simple way is to use AI to create your first content calendar. So most people know they should post online, but they just don't know what to say. Should I talk about the books? Should I share personal stories? Should I promote directly? Which platform should I use? I don't know. How often should I post? And here, AI can help you build a simple, realistic, and weekly or monthly rhythm. So for example, it can write for you 2 inspiring posts, 2 promotional posts, 1 email, 1 visual ID per post, and all adapted to your tone and your time available as well. So here, the goal is not to post everywhere, every day. The goal is really to create a rhythm you can actually maintain, and that's really critical. Because on the web, consistency beats perfection. So there's no point having a publication one time. You need regularity, and you need really to create this rhythm and be consistent with it. So here as well, we've got another prompt about an editorial calendar. And you can build as well the intelligence. So you can start introducing your activity. You will explain what you can offer. You explain what you want to achieve, what time you have available. And from that, it will be able to create a detailed plan. And you could see here, I did a print screen. It also can create the image for you or the images, because also you can test several images. It can write the text and so on and so on. When you create that, it really will help you to move from I should post something to I know exactly what I can post this week. And also what I love about it, so once you build, for instance, this editorial calendar, you will be able to program, and that will teach you as well. You, for instance, can spend 2 hours early in the week or late in the week, whatever, it does not really matter. But you can program everything for the months to come, for the 3 months to come, and then everything is programmed and you don't have to deal with it. Now, let's have a look at another case study, which is Sonia. And Sonia took a completely different approach because she focused on local schools, nurseries, parent groups, community network. That's what she loves doing. So that's what she focused on. So this work, it works especially well for learning kids because the concept is easy to present in person. Because, creations are visual, they are emotional, and very simple to understand. So with AI and Learning Kids templates, Sonia just prepared a school-friendly pitch, simple outreach messages, and group offers around creative kits. She also focused on the emotional learning, emotions kit, and also the yoga kit, because that's what she wanted to focus on first. And the result came again really quickly. Just some few data she shared with us is that when she targeted a school of around 30 children, she, as on average, generated 20 orders. And also because once parents see the concept and understand it, they often want more than one creation. And that's why the percentage, so 20 orders out of 30 children, that's why as well it's so high. And those customers as well kept coming back. So the key lesson is this: you do not have to build a big online presence to get started. A clear local strategy can just, be as powerful and sometimes even more so. Now, let's have a look at another strategy using Ines. She focused on email follow-ups using AI, so turning prospects into loyal customers. And it was very interesting because she addressed something many people who start underestimate. And actually, um, loyalty of customers is a very strong point at Learning Kids. Because sales do not always happen on the first contact. Sometimes people discover the offer, they are interested, but they don't buy immediately. They have a question, or they want to think, or they get distracted. And this is totally normal. And that's where, follow-up makes a real difference. So basically, she used AI to prepare warm, personalized follow-up sequence for parents, schools, and potential partners. So she could answer questions more easily. She could stay connected without feeling pushy. And she kept simply, conversation going, more replies, additional sales. So that's what she achieved. So selling is not posting once. and waiting. It is building a relationship, and AI makes that more manageable. And really interesting here as well is that during the training, we teach you to automatize this part as well. So once you've written your follow-up sequence, you just program it, and then it can run for weeks, months, as you decide. Now let's share a final example with Louis. Here he really focused on the website. So because for many people, technology can be the biggest barrier. So building a website, writing content, figuring out SEO, presenting the offer clearly, can feel a full-time job before you've even started. So what Louis did is that he used the ready-made e-commerce website that we provide. So it's already pre-built with all the products, with all the advanced modules. On AI, by using AI, he could start communicating straight on and without needing to master, everything technically from day one. And that is really important. So his website was ready in under 5 days. He built a list of more than 150 email subscribers. He generated his first sale within 2 weeks, and he did that without a paid ad. And after a few weeks, he could generate around £800, and that is a kind of recurring income through his website. So again, the goal is not to become a developer or a marketing specialist. Louis started from scratch. He had never ever built a website before. He had never ever managed a website before. So really starting from scratch. So the goal is really to have the right structure already in place so you can focus on what matters most. Connecting with people, on sharing the offer clearly. Here I've got few other strategies. We are not to go into too much detail, but just to give you a rough idea, because there are many different ways to develop your strategy. So AI also will support many other approaches too. So it can help prepare messages for local schools, shops, draft a local press release, really important. And during the training, we speak a lot about it because it's very powerful. Lot of people don't do it because they can be a bit shy and underestimate the reach they can achieve with that. But we do a lot of training around press release, create content for events, fairs. Very important as well, build seasonal offers for birthdays, back to school, Christmas, or special family moments. So it really can help you turn each creation into an emotional story, the kind of story that makes the parents, stop scrolling and think, ooh, my child will love this. But the most important thing is not to do all of it. It is really to choose the strategies that fits your profile, your time, and your strengths. More actions do not always mean better results. The right action do. So who is Learning Kids right for? So before we move to your next steps, I want to be honest about who Learning Kids is and is not for. So Learning Kids can be a great fit if you like the world of children, families, creativity, or learning through play. It can be a great fit if you want a flexible activity, but still want structure, tools, and support. It can be a great fit if you are willing to take regular actions, even in small steps. It can be a great fit if you like the idea of sharing something meaningful with families schools, parent groups, local community, for instance. And it can be a great fit if you are open to learning how to use AI, even if you are not technical today. But I will be equally direct. Learning Kids is not right for everyone. It's not for someone looking for passive income without effort. It's not for someone who does not want to talk about the project, follow up with people, or develop new skills. We provide the concept, the tools, the training, the support, the resources as well, but your consistency, your conversations, and your human connections are yours to bring. Key points before you start. So, before we go into your first step, let me give you the 5 things that matter the most at the beginning. So first, talk about your project. Your first opportunities often come from your existing network, not from strangers online. Secondly, use AI to move faster. Do not stare at a blank page. Use it to create, draft, organize, follow up. Third, start simple. One creation, one audience, one channel. So clarity beats complexity every time. So keep moving. Small actions. Fourth, make it visible. Parents respond to what they can see, feel, and imagine for their child. So show examples, tell stories, share the experience. And finally, take actions. Show examples, tell stories, share experience. So the most important is really to take action. A small imperfect action today is worth much more than a perfect plan for the next month. So you don't need to do everything. You don't need to know everything. You just need a clear first step. So what we train you to do with AI? Okay, so inside Learning Kids, we don't say, just use AI. We show you how to. And most people, open chat GPT, they ask a vague question, they get a generic answer, and maybe they feel disappointed. So this is not AI failing. That's just not knowing how to use it yet. So we train you how to build your first strategy, create better content, prepare visuals, handle conversation, answer objections, and very important, automate your follow-ups, as we saw in a few examples previously. And also, this will very much help you to save time every week. So AI helps you create. Automation helps you follow up. Learning Kids shows you how to use both simply. And the goal is not for you, to become an AI expert. It's for you to take actions faster, with less stress and more confidence. So examples about your first 7 days could be longer, could be faster. Let's speak here in terms of days. We also could speak about sessions. So the first days or sessions are not about building a perfect business. They are about creating a momentum. So day 1, session 1, will be to clarify your goals and starting point. Day 2, you choose your first Learning Kids focus. Then you learn how to ask AI better questions. On day 4, you can create your first post, email, or message. Then, the next day, you can prepare a visual or visual ideas or a creation story. And then you can start following up with interested people. On day 7, very important, you will review improve, and plan your next action. And that is especially important, and that's what we cover extensively during the training, is to really take the time to step back, analyze what did work, what did not work, and why. And that will help you to develop your strategy and your business much faster as well. So you are not doing this alone. You are guided at every step. You do not need to master AI. You need a clear first move and someone to show you how as well. Now another example of your first 30 days. Again, could be longer, could be quicker, but just to give you an idea, you are in control of your activity, how much time you want to spend on it. But for instance, the first 30 days, follow a simple structure. Week 1. So this one is about clarity, defining your audience, your offer, your first message. Week 2 is more about visibility. So having fun creating posts, emails, simple content with AI guidance. Week 3 is about follow-up, answering questions, handling objections, reconnecting with prospects, getting more confident as well. Week 4 is about momentum. So reviewing what worked, improving and repeating. So we saw that in previous example, mainly with Aurelia. Once you've got something that works, you repeat, you duplicate, you slightly update, and you repeat. So here, Learning Kids gives you the structure, AI saves you time, the training guides you at every step. So this combination is designed to help you avoid feeling stuck, avoid spreading yourself too thin, and gradually build something that fits your life. So to close this webinar, I want to leave you with one thing. You do not need to have the answers today. You do not need to be an expert in marketing, sales, or artificial intelligence. You need a clear concept, simple tools, guidance, and one first action. Learning gives you a complete universe around children, creativity, and personalized learning. AI helps you move faster, and you bring what matters most, your energy, your story, and your relationship. So if this feels like the kind of flexible, meaningful activity you've been looking for, the next step is simple. You can book a discovery call. It's a simple conversation to understand your situation, your questions, and whether Learning Kids could realistically be the right fit for you. You can explore the packages available and start at your own pace. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this has helped you see what could be possible. And I look forward to perhaps welcoming you into the Learning Kids universe soon.